This is how to use ChatGPT as a free AI article generator. So you're familiar with tools like the Jaspers, the Writesonics of the world, produce some pretty impressive content. Whether or not it's content that should be ranking in Google is a different discussion, but it produces some pretty impressive stuff. This is ChatGPT, which has been released by the same organization that OpenAI, which creates the API that all of these writing tools connect to. And this is a free tool. So it's meant to be able to ask it questions like what does explain, like here's some examples, explain quantum computing in simple terms. How do I do X? But what you can also do, it doesn't give you an example or tell you what you can do, but it also tells you, or you can give it a command. So you can say, instead of asking it a question, you can tell it, write something. So write a long blog post on the 5 steps to teach a child to ski. Ski season's coming soon. It's on my mind. And so this is, again, 100% free, which is sort of what's quite interesting. And let's see how it did. Start with the basics. Body position, choose the right equipment, start small. Yeah, so it kept it pretty fluffy. I mean, not very useful, but not sequential. What ChatGPT is a step up in improvement on compared to the previous versions of the AI that came out of OpenAI is that it's been more factually accurate, and it has didn't put any numbers in that can be sometimes wrong. This seems to be more factually accurate. It's pretty fluffy and not super useful. But we're going to check it both for plagiarism and if it's been generated by AI. So Originality.AI is a tool where we can, where it's AI that is trained to determine if content was generated by AI. But here is an AI generated article created 100% for free using the ChatGPT tool. And let's compare it to some of the most popular tools out there. So we'll run it through both Writesonic, it'll create an article, and then this is Jasper.ai creating a piece of content. So let's head back over. So yeah, 98%. So Originality.ai successfully determined that the output from ChatGPT was generated by AI. And then let's look at the quality. So introduction, blog body, choose the right equipment, start slow, be patient, make it fun, stay safe. So pretty similar output. And I think, what's interesting here is, is this, which one's better? And I think I'd have to read it in a little bit more detail, but I think ChatGPT output is better. And so this is Jasper, a non-free tool. Choosing childhood basic movements, practicing the slopes. Again, not bad, but again, I think the takeaway for me is that ChatGPT is free, and this video was to show how to tell ChatGPT to create articles.